All right, guys, I'm going to do the xylophone or the keyboard one real quick. So, a couple quick things about this. Number one, there's three flats, B, E, and A flat. Number two, you really got to watch the stickings. All right, and we'll go over that. And then three, we're going to end on beat 1 of 52 because 53 to the end is exactly like 41 to 53. So, I don't need to hear you play that. Okay, you're also going to skip, and I'll go over that. So, the first part, okay, counts are like this: and one and two and one and two and one and a two and one and two and one and a two and one to two to one e and a two e and a one and two and one e and a two to one. Stickings. Ready and go. Left, sorry, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, and two. Left, right, 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 left. So you see there is a ton of left hand lead. So you got to make sure. All right, now I'm going to play it without saying anything. Just play it. Ready and go. Okay, one more time. Ready and go. Okay, the next part, 41, is all it is a pattern. Okay, so the rhythm is and one and E and a one and E and a one and E and a one and. Okay, and the stickings are right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. And you really have to do the stickings if you're going to get this smooth. So it starts out, pickups to 46 and one and two E and a one and two E and a one and two E and a one and E and a one and two E and a one. Okay, that's the pattern. Stickings: left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. All right, without me saying anything, ready and go. Okay, then the next part is sort of a pattern too. So if I'm starting at measure 46, you've got one and two and a one and two and a one and two and a one. Again, one and two and a one and two and a one and two and a one. Then the next part, again, sort of a pattern, but not really. One to two to one and a two and one to two to one. Again, one to two to one and a two and one to two to one. All right, so if you play that whole pattern starting at 41, it's this. And one and two E and a one and two E and a one and the one and two E and a one and two E and a one and two and a one and two and a one and two and a one the two the one and a two and one the two the one. Play the whole thing without counting. Ready and go. Sorry. And that takes you to 52 and you're done. So now if I play the whole thing, what I want you to do is when you get to 32, you're going to go right on to 41. All right, so at measure 31, you have measure 31, you have one E and a two to one and we're going to go right on to 46. So I'll do that again. I'm going to start at 31 and go on into 41, excuse me. Here we go, go on into 41. So here's how it goes. One E and a two to one and two and one and two. Two. So that's what I would like you to do. So I'm going to play the whole thing twice. Here we go. From 23, and then I'm going to skip to 41 once I get to 31. Ready and go. And skip. Make sense? One more time. Ready and go. And skip. All right, most of you, if you put some time in, can get it memorized. I've been doing it for about 15 minutes and I already got it memorized. So good luck. Maybe I'll see you this week. Maybe we'll get a few cold days.